everyone, this is Alessandro Brooks here for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for a green chicken chili, a chicken chili verde soup. This is a delicious soup and is a favorite at our household. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by dicing one large yellow onion. Then remove the top and seeds of 2 poblano peppers and roughly dice them. Remove the seeds and dice 1 jalapeno pepper. Remove the husks and cut 5 tomatillos. I'm just cutting them into quarters. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Then peel and chop a 1-inch piece of ginger. Heat up a large pan over high heat and add a good drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onions, the peppers, and the tomatillos. Add the ginger and a good pinch of salt and saute until it starts to get fragrant. Then add the garlic and a handful of fresh cilantro. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Next, season 2 chicken breasts, about 1.5 pounds, with salt, fresh ground black pepper, and a good amount of smoked paprika. Once the vegetables are nice and soft, transfer them into a food processor or blender and blend them until smooth. Add the chicken breast into the pan, then cover them with the blended vegetables, and also add 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring it back to a boil, then cover the pan and simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the chicken breasts should be cooked. Remove them from the pan and shred them. Next, we're going to be adding 1 cup of frozen corn and 1 can of drained white beans. We're also going to be adding the shredded chicken breast back into the pan. Simmer for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, peel an avocado and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Then add half cup of sour cream and stir it to combine. Mix in the avocado pieces. You can also use the avocado as a topping if you wish, but I like to add it into the chili. And to finish it, add a good drizzle of fresh lime juice. And the chili is ready. To serve it, add an extra spoon of sour cream, some Mexican cheese, some fresh cilantro, and I also like to top it with some crispy jalapeno peppers. You can also use crispy tortilla chips. And now it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.